Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Today, in this video class, we will learn some new letters. How to write some new letters like small letter M, small letter N, and small letter O. Okay. You can see now this M, N, O are written in the same line. Started from the second line and ended at the third line. On the third line, you can see now we will use this second and third line only. Okay. To write letter M, N, O. So let's start writing. Okay, at first this small letter M is starting from the second line. So you have to start from here. At first draw a standing line from second line to the third line like this. Second line to the third line, standing line. Okay. Then from the middle of the standing line, draw a small curve reaching the third line. Okay, like this. Small curve reaching the third line like this. And again draw another curved line like this. And it will become the letter M. You can see now this is the small letter M. Okay. This is very easy. So, let's practice it again. At first, go to the second line, draw a standing line downwards from second line to the third line. Okay, and from the middle of the second standing line, draw a small curve like this. And again draw another curve like this. And it will become the letter M. So, writing letter M is very easy now. It is very easy. Start from the second line, draw a standing line, and from the middle of the standing line, draw a small curve like this. Okay. After that, add one more curve line like this. And it will become the small letter M. And we have learned M for mango. M for mango. So, practice like this. Okay. And now, we will learn how to write the letter N. This M and N are same. এখানে দুটো কার্ভ আছে, এখানে শুধু একটা কার্ভ, তাই তো? So, practice now. Let's write the letter N. Okay. At first, this is also starting from the second line. So, start from here. Okay. Draw a standing line. Then from the middle of the standing line, draw a small curve. Okay, like this. So, this is very easy na. This M and N are same. Okay. এখানে শুধু দুটো curve and here is one curve only. Okay. So, this is the small letter N and small letter N writing is very easy. And we have learned N for nest. Okay, N for nest, N for net, and so on. Let's practice it again. Start from the second line, draw a standing line downwards. Okay, and from the middle of the standing line, draw a small curve like this. You can add a small curl here also. It will become more beautiful. On the M also, you can add. Okay, it will become more beautiful. So, this is very easy now. Let's write it again. Draw a standing line and from the middle of the standing line, draw a small curve with a small curl at the bottom like this. So, this is very easy. So, we have finished small letter M and small letter N. And now we will learn how to write the small letter O. You can see now this is the small letter O. ছোট্ট একটা গোল, একটা circle. Okay. Just you have to draw a small circle. Okay. So start from the second line. Okay. And draw a small circle like this, and it will become the letter O. You have to maintain the lines. Okay, you have to maintain all the lines. Okay, do not cross any line. Okay, like this O is started from the second line. Okay, and you have to touch the third line. Okay, draw a small circle like this. Again it becomes the letter, small letter O, and writing letter O is also very easy. And in the book we have learned O for owl, O for owl. So practice like this. Okay, we have learned letter, small letter M, how to write the small letter M, small letter N, and small letter O. Okay, practice like this following this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.